Guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I am going to be showing you how to fix a broken nail. So this basically works as an acrylic nail, and it helps repair your nail. And for example, my nail broke, and as you can see, that's not the tip of your nail that you could just cut off and it's fine. It's right here and it's covering skin, so you do not want to rip that nail off. So this is where this kit comes in. Now it does bring these little stickers, and that's what you glue on your nail, and then you do the rest of the process, which makes it very easy to remove when you want to take it off. So it's very useful, and I'm gonna show you how you can use it. So let's get on with that. Okay, so the first step is to find the correct size sticker. This would be the correct size since I am doing this nail. As you can see, it fits perfectly on there. And if there is any excess sticker, you would just file it off with a nail file. And the pack does bring different sizes for different nails, and it's just very useful. So let's go on to the next step. Okay guys, so the second step would be to buff your nail down. Now, I would normally never buff my nail because it does weaken your nail and it makes it more prone to breaking. But in this case, you do have to buff it down a little just to remove excess particles of dust on your nail, so the glue will actually stick to your nail and last longer. Now, you don't want to buff way too much because, again, it's going to make your nail very weak, and that's not good because it is prone to breaking more. So as you can see, I buffed my nail down, and now you're just going to wipe it off with acetone, and then we'll go on to our next step. Okay, so now that we have buffed our nail down and wiped off the excess particles with acetone, we're going to apply our sticker. Now, you want to make sure the round edge is pointing toward your cuticle and the square edge is pointing toward the tip of your nail. So now we're just gonna peel back the sticker, and carefully you want to put this on your nail. It is very flexible and it will rip easily, so you want to be very careful. Now you want to try to not put it exactly on top of your cuticle, just a little down, and then you're gonna press firmly to release air bubbles. And then after this, we're gonna go and apply the nail glue. So stay tuned. Okay, so before we do apply our nail glue, we're going to trim down the excess sticker. So with some scissors, we're going to carefully trim down the sticker and make sure you don't cut your nail trying to do this. And then later the excess corner could be filed down with the nail file. So now we could go and apply our glue. Okay guys, so now we're going to apply the nail glue that comes inside the kit. And it does come like a brush. So now you're just going to brush it on top of the little silk strip. You do want to make sure you apply a good amount, and you could see the little sticker or silk strip starts to go clear as you apply the glue. That is what you want. Now you want to make sure you add it evenly across your nail, especially the damaged part. And then after this, we're going to dip our nail in the powder, so you want to make sure you have the powder near you and open. This is what the powder looks like, and you're just going to dip your nail upside down inside the powder. And then you're going to lift, and you're going to tap on the jar to remove the excess particles of dust. You can now put the glue and powder away because you won't be needing them. And now you just have to let this dry and not touch it until it is dry. So 2 or 3 minutes after, it should be dry. So now you're going to use the brush that comes inside the kit, and you're going to brush off the excess powder. And as you can see, it looks more like your natural nail. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to get our glue again, and we're going to add another layer on top. And then you would wait 7 to 10 minutes, and it should be dry, and you should be ready to go. Now, if you do want to make it stronger, you could do another layer of what I just did and keep repeating it until your nail is stronger and thicker. But I wouldn't recommend to do that unless you're going to do all your nails, because it's going to look very uneven and it's not going to look good. So let's go apply the glue. Okay guys, so now that the glue has dried, we're going to buff our nail a little on the top just to smooth everything out. And then we're going to file the bottom and the edges to get rid of that excess sticker. And then you could paint your nails with nail polish or apply a top coat on if you want. Or you could just leave your nail as it is right now. So now you want to make sure you file away all the excess sticker that was in the corners, in the edge, and on the sides of your nail. And you want to be careful that you don't lift the actual nail, like the sticker that's on your actual nail, because then everything you did would be for nothing basically. So you want to be very careful how you file your nail. And you want to make sure you keep your nail in the form that it has. So you don't want to make it a different shape. You just want to take the excess sticker off. So you have to file very carefully. Okay guys, so as you can see, I filed the nail down. And I hope you guys liked this video. And make sure to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe down below to my channel for more videos like this. And just thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.